This is a secret trick for always sparkling windows. It was shared with me by a woman who's been professionally cleaning windows for 30 years and knows exactly what works. Over time, white PVC frames tend to yellow, lose their shine, and make the whole room look dull and less fresh. Dust and dirt can also affect the air quality in your home, which is especially troublesome for allergy sufferers. That's why regular window cleaning is so important. And all you need is something you already have at home: dishwasher tablets. Their formula makes them perfect for cleaning other surfaces too. They contain active enzymes and degreasing agents that effectively remove dirt, stains, and buildup. Just drop 2 tablets into 3 liters of hot water and let them dissolve. Stir well, soak a sponge or soft cloth in the solution, and gently wipe the window frames. You'll see the grime disappear within moments. Finally, rinse the frames with clean water and dry them with a soft microfiber cloth. The frames will be spotless, bright white, and look like new again. It's a simple, inexpensive, and highly effective method that truly works. Just a few minutes, and your windows will look professionally cleaned. A grayish and yellowed t-shirt will look like new. You'll see the difference immediately. Place the t-shirt in the sink and squeeze a few centimeters of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste has whitening properties and removes stains and discoloration. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt naturally restores the whiteness of white clothes. Add 1 capful of detergent for whites and pour warm but not boiling water over everything. The water temperature should match the fabric of the t-shirt. Mix it with the detergent and leave it for a few minutes. Then, hand wash the t-shirt in the water. You'll notice the water changing color. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and wash the t-shirt in the washing machine with other white clothes. If you dry the t-shirt in the sun, its rays will whiten it even more. This method for washing white clothes is simple and effective. Toothpaste, salt, and detergent can really whiten your clothes well. Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow-white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have 1 item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white. I always do one thing before washing my curtains. They turn out snowy white, just like new. What can you add to the wash to make your curtains white? Look for the right ingredients in your kitchen. First, prepare a basin. Pour in 3 liters of water. To achieve the best results, we'll combine a few tricks into one. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of salt. This effectively removes stains and restores the snowy white color. The next ingredient is citric acid. You only need to add 1 tablespoon. Also, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to the water, which gives excellent results. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The last surprising ingredient is an aspirin tablet. Add 2 to the basin. Now you can soak the curtains and leave them in the basin for 2 hours. The combination of these ingredients works better than chemical bleach. After this time, put the curtains in the washing machine and wash them. The previously soaked material won't have dirt in its fibers, so the curtains will be snowy white again. Here's how to quickly refresh your socks. They will look like new. Yellowed socks are a problem you've probably dealt with, but there is a simple solution. Prepare half a liter of water and add a little potassium permanganate. Stir well until the powder is completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a bowl with warm water and soak your socks in it. Leave them for a few minutes so the mixture can work. In the meantime, prepare a second bowl with clean water and add hydrogen peroxide. Once the socks have soaked, take them out of the first bowl and gently squeeze out the excess water. Then carefully dip them into the hydrogen peroxide water and wait a moment. You will see how they regain their white color. This is a simple and effective method that will make you forget about yellowed, dull socks and enjoy their fresh, clean look again. Your socks will look like new, and the whole process will take you just a few minutes. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. A grayish and yellowed t-shirt will look like new. You'll see the difference immediately. Place the t-shirt in the sink and squeeze a few centimeters of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste has whitening properties and removes stains and discoloration. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt naturally restores the whiteness of white clothes. Add 1 capful of detergent for whites and pour warm but not boiling water over everything. The water temperature should match the fabric of the t-shirt. Mix it with the detergent and leave it for a few minutes. Then, hand wash the t-shirt in the water. You'll notice the water changing color. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and wash the t-shirt in the washing machine with other white clothes. If you dry the t-shirt in the sun, its rays will whiten it even more. This method for washing white clothes is simple and effective. Toothpaste, salt, and detergent can really whiten your clothes well,